Hello, Hyperboost is here. In today's video I'm gonna show you some features and hidden settings on Realme 14T. So, first feature, hidden setting, I'm gonna show you here in access and convenience. Go to the down. And we got smart sensing mode. That's a nice setting that we got air gestures that we can hang up on the phones and take the calls, so it's nice. Next, what we want to see is the how to heart measurement. It's in Realme Lab. We got heart rate measurement, the BMI, BPM. I got 59 BPM right now. And this is how we can set up like I am full of energy right now, and we get safe. That's a nice feature. Next feature I'm gonna show you, also in Realme Lab, is eject water from speaker. If our phone get drowned, we can get to this, go on a maximum max sound, like the better, for the better result, the maximum volume, and it's clearing from the water. It's also a nice feature, I think. Also, we got on this Realme, we can take a faster screenshot like this, with the 3 fingers, like go down with the 3 fingers. Look, and we get the screenshot. This is a nice feature, I think. The next I'm gonna show you is split view. We can get the Google and pull up 3 fingers and get the messages, and we got split view. We can on the both in the same time do things. It's a nice feature, I think. It's also good in work or something. Good feature is the AI feature. When we got Gemini right here, we get the pull like this, and we get Gemini, and this is AI feature. We can ask her for something here. If we want to offer, we just touch the screen and she go. We have also the Google feature. When we hold the home button like this, we get Google, and we can circle or tap to get the view, and we just wait, and here are the results. This is also a nice feature in work, like when you do some work or homework for the school. It's a nice feature, actually. I'm gonna show you also the game features we got on Must Play. We got here, we got some ad that we don't like. I'm gonna show you on maybe this. Okay, Hyperboost. This is nice feature because we got here everything we want. The screen recording, network optimization, touch optimization, quick setup. We got also here the GT mode that I'll show you 1 second, and we got low power mode. This is balanced mode. We got also here the more games if you like to play games on your smartphone. Right now I'm gonna show you the GT mode. We go right to the battery and GT mode on. We can also move this up there, but here we got the information about this, so it's better here. And this is our GT mode right now. We just turn this off. I think we don't need to do this. Next I'm gonna show you some AIboost. AIboost, we're going up to the accessibility, go down, AIboost. Here we got AIboost on our applications that optimize app launch or the apps technically memory usage. We can here change our CPU frequency, DDR frequency. That's also good feature, I think, on the Realme. I'm gonna show you right now also the process manager. That is very useful if you want to see what apps are running in the right now on your device. We can freeze them, and the apps we have here, the system apps, this third party like that we upload on our device. So it's really nice thing. We have here the sidebar. That's also a nice feature. We can here get the screen record or screenshot, but we first need to get this from the system navigations. We got here the gestures, buttons, digitals. That's also a nice mode. I like also the in here I like also the not here. Smart Sidebar. That's a very good. This is this. We enable and turn off, and we don't have this here, but we got still this, and we just swipe this off, and we don't have. But I prefer use the sidebar because it's very useful in many things. We can edit here and add some applications here, so we get faster. We can go to them faster. It's really good when you're doing something with them. Also, like this, you can here look for apps, like I don't know here, and we're doing something on 1, 2, and the third one. That's a really good feature, I think. And we got also the nice feature like the touch, like here, touch adaptation. That's when you got screen protector or waterproof pouch. That's a good, actually, very rare feature on the phones. But here we got this, and if you got the screen protector, I prefer use it. But I don't have actual leave-ins, so I don't need to use, but it's a good feature though. I'm gonna show you one more. The feature. We got feature right here, and we got app cloner. It's a good feature though. Create app clone, and we got the app clone on here. It's a nice feature though. I think that's be all. If you enjoyed the video, please like and subscribe to our channel, and bye.